Essential Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts every PC Pro should know. You can control Windows 10 via click, tap or swipe, but sometimes a keyboard shortcut is the quickest way. Here's a handy guide to all the shortcuts you should know. You can navigate Windows 10 with the click of a mouse or the swipe of the finger. There's way to control it with the sound of your voice, and of course, there's the handy keyboard shortcuts. Whether you are using a desktop, laptop, or Windows tablet, keyboard shortcuts are always available to you as a quick way to run a command, open program, or perform a certain task. The problem with keyboard shortcuts, though, with so many of them across different programs and operating systems, they can be difficult to remember. Certain universal shortcuts, such as a Control plus Z for undo or Control plus C for copy, get burned into your brain after years of repetitions. But other useful ones, such as Alt plus Tab to switch to another open window, or Control plus Y to your last actions, can be harder to remember since you don't use them as often. And those are just the standard ones that have been around through several versions of Windows. Windows 10 introduced a host of new keyboard shortcuts to tap into its vast area of features, such as the start menu, the Microsoft Edge browser, and the virtual desktop function. So now you have even more shortcuts to remember. If you are having trouble keeping them all straight, here's a guide to Windows shortcuts. Some arrived with Windows 10, and some are old standbys that you may have forgotten. We have organized them according to key features and categories. You won't able to remember them all, but you will be able to recall some, and you can always keep this guides handy while you are working in Windows 10.
Congrats. Very come here.
Windows 10 offers features called Virtual Desktop, through which you can create multiple desktop screens and switch among them at will. Why would you do that? Think about how many times you have so many windows and apps open that you can hardly keep them straight. With virtual desktop, you can create separate desktop areas that each house their own apps and windows. You can then move each one to the side until you need it. This way, you don't have to shift through again a mismatch of apps or documents across your desktop.
वीडियो मैंने जब जगह फुल